Now let us create consistent characters through Midjourney. Firstly, use a prompt like a Japanese woman sleeping in the north of her room at 9:16. Furthermore, the more details you provide in your prompt, the better Midjourney can generate your characters. Now scroll down to see more prompts. Here, as you can see, a prompt like a Japanese woman sleeping north of her room and a ghost watching her. Also, make sure that your character description should be detailed with specifics like sleeping. Now let us move on to the next prompt. Emmanuel Macron with a stupid, simple, dressed in a worksuit holding a bottle of wine. Below this prompt, you can see the image generated by Midjourney. Now let us take a look at more prompts. Here, as you can see, a prompt like the interaction between humans and artificial intelligence realistic at 9:16. After that, scroll down and here you can see Kubernetes specialist. Now under the generated image, you will find various tools to change your consistent character's expression and upscale it. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.